Hi everyone, I'm Bhavna, and again we'll learn about one more tool in our today's session that is widely used in almost all applications. So the tool is a flip view. What a flip view does, you might uh, you might imagine about sliders and all in which different images get slided in your application. That tool is a flip view in Windows application. So a flip view makes it easier for you to slide all your images in your application. Not only images, you can even add buttons or any other tool in a flip view so that you can slide that tool also. So moving ahead with our session, we'll just go to our main page. We are on our main page. For adding a flip view, first of all, we need to gather all our images that we want to slide in our flip view. So for that, like we added an MP4 image yesterday, I'll just quickly add 3 images in my application. I'll add existing item in my desktop. I might have some images. Yeah, I have some images, that is, I'll add that. Yes, I have added 3 images, that is Angular, Apple, and Windows. Yeah, fine. So all the 3 images are in my solution. What I can do is I can just transfer these images into a new folder. I'll make a new folder, add a new folder. I'll give a name images, and I'll move this to my images folder. I'll move that also to my images folder, and I'll move Windows as well to my images folder. Fine. I have all my images inside my images folder, and I just need a flip view to drop on my screen. So I'll go to my toolbox, I'll pick up a flip view, and I'll drop it to my screen. I'll adjust the height and width of my flip view. This would be the area in which the image would slide. So make it according to your convenience. Fine, my image, I want it to slide in almost whole page. Fine. This is my flip view. The tag, it has horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, margin, height, width, etc. I'll just open this tag and make it a parent tag for all the images. So now inside this flip view, I will have to take, since I have 3 images, I'll have to take child elements. The child element would be an image element. I'll go to my toolbox again. I have an element named image. So I'll drop it here. I'll drop it in my flip view. So the image has horizontal alignment, height, margin, vertical alignment, width, etc. This is one image. I'll set it according to my flip view's height. Fine. I'll set it according to my flip view's height. I'll add 2 more images because since I have 3 images in my images folder, I'll add 2 more tags. I'll give a name to every tag. The first one being Angular, second one being Windows, and the third one being Apple. Right? Yeah. So I have given the name so that if we need to access these images in our code behind, we could use that as well. I'll also give the source. Source equals to, since my images are in my images folder, I'll write the folder's name first because I have to specify the path, the whole path, and then write the name of my image, that is angular.tbt. So you can see it over here. The first image is here. Similarly, I'll do the same with my other images as well. Images slash apple dot png, and the third one being images slash windows dot png. Fine. I have specified the source of each and every image, and in fact what I can do is I can go to my layout, appearance, it's fine, we'll do it some other time. You can see all these images are in one line, one horizontal line. You can see a blue margin over here as well. This is my second image, and if I reduce it more, I'll get my third image as well. So this is our flip view. I'll just let's see what a flip view looks like. Here comes our splash screen. Okay, fine. This is our flip view with one ending as a forward button. I'll click on forward button. I'll get my second image. I'll again click on forward button. I'll get my third image. Forward button disappears because this is my last image of my flip view, or the last element. I'll go to the back button. Again, the forward button appears and the back button disappears. As I said that we could flip all the elements in my flip view, including even a button or a text box. So we could go and check if this happens or not. I'll add a button as well. The content would be check. The height would be 100. Let's make it 300, and let's make the width as 500. Fine. And save it, and let's run it and see what I get. My splash screen. This is my first image. This was my second image, my third image, and after third image again I have a forward button. That means something is there in my fourth element. See, this is my button. Although I have not generated any event on the click of this button, so the button doesn't have an event, but it is, since it is non-clickable, I won't get anything on clicking it, but it's just to show that a flip view doesn't only slide all your images, it also applies for all the tools in the toolbox. So that was it for today's session. In next session, we'll discuss more about Windows and its tools. Till then, stay tuned.